Okay, right now we're going to discuss how to use different aspects of the human biodigital application that you can find online. As you can see here, this is a picture of, not a picture, but a model of a human being, of a male. But one special thing you can do is once you get this model, you can actually do a dissection on this human. So if you come down here where you see my mouse, you can click on the scalpel button, and this, once you've selected it, allows you to dissect different parts of the human. So for example, I can click on this muscle right here and it will disappear, and if I click on the skull, it will disappear until you can see the brain. So I have dissected the model in that I've gotten rid of overlaying layers. So that is how you use the dissection tool. If you want to undo your action, you just push the undo button like that. Now you can also get, well, if you want to stop dissecting, just click here. But now you can also come over here to this. If it's not shown right there, you can click on this anatomy button. It makes it available. But what you can do with the anatomy button is you can add or remove. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit there so we can see the more of the whole body. But what you can do here is, wait one second. Let's see. You can add or remove different systems and so for example, I can get rid of the muscular system by clicking here. There, and so then that removed the muscular system, so you can see everything else. You can also, if you wanted just some of the so I just turned the muscular system back on, but if you just wanted to turn off part of the muscular system, you can do that. For example, muscles of the abdomen, that removes those muscles. So that's how you can turn on or off different systems. So if you want to just focus on a specific one. Now, the next thing that we're going to show you is if you come here to it, I have on a different screen. You can exit out of this, and you can come to explore, and you can go to a specific system of the body that you want. For example, let's go to the blood, heart, and circulation systems. And if you want to research a certain illness or condition, for example, coronary artery disease, you can click on this, and it will show you, once it loads, you can go and it will show you what is specifically wrong or what is the problem in this specific disease. And right here you can see that there's plaque in the coronary artery, which if you zoom in, you can see the plaque right there that is blocking a vein. You can click here for different things, and this shows an example of what the plaque would look like. And so it squeezes the vein tighter and blocks blood flow, and it can grow. So you can see different aspects of each issue, and that's cool. So you can push the X button here to get out of it. And just to repeat, how you got to that was go to Explore, and then you can click on each one of these, and they'll each have different issues. Now, if we go back to the male complete anatomy where we were before, you can also do a quiz function by clicking the quiz me button. And here you can say, oh, here's, you want maybe like 5 questions. So click 5 questions, let's get started. And then they'll quiz you and be like, what is this? I personally don't know what this is, but you can guess and then confirm answer, and it will tell you if it was right or wrong. You can go next question, etc., etc. And this is part of an eyeball, and I would say that, let's say this is the right lens. I'm not correct again, and it will just continue on. You can also do that so I'm going to exit out of this quiz because I was not good at it. You can also go back to explore, and I believe if you go to different, let's say the digestive system, and if you go to, I think there's different quizzes within these two. So that is how you find the quizzes, and yeah, thank you for watching today.